Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to channel for simplifying your tech troubles. And hey, if you are like me, you are probably tired of your Android device throwing an error every time you try to install an Xapk file. Well, fret no more. I'm here to show you the easiest way on how to install Xapk file on Android. Here's what we are diving into today. Renaming the Xapk to zip. A quick trick to manually extract and install the Xapk like a box. Xapk Installer app. Let the app do all the heavy thing. Plus, who wants to do the manual labor? APK Pure app. Manage and install Xapk files directly from APK Pure's app, like a tab. Multi-file manager apps. The easiest phone-only method to extract and install Xapk files. So no matter how much you love a good tech headache or just want something simple, we've got the method for everyone. Let's jump into it. And hey, before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Method 1. Using an Xapk installer app. Now, for those of you who are like, I'm too cool to be renaming files, we've got you covered with the Xapk installer app. It is basically the I don't want to lift a finger method. Download the Xapk installer app from a reliable source. Open the app and grant it the permissions, thus it is going to do some magic for you. The app will automatically scan your phone for Xapk files, find the ones you want to install, and ta-da! The app does all the hard work. Get an APK installed without breaking a sweat. This method is perfect for when you want to feel like you are living in the future. Method 2. Using APK Pure app. If you're a fan of APK Pure, then this method is for you. It is like the Netflix of APKs and Xapks. Here's what to do. Install the APK Pure app. If you don't have it yet, what are you doing? Tap on the menu icon and head to apk/Xapk Management. It is like a VIP launch for your apps. From there, select your Xapk file and watch as APK Pure does its thing, extracting and installing everything automatically. Simple, fast, no drama. Method 3. Using a multi-file manager app. Okay, so you've tried renaming files and you've got an app for everything. What if you just want to make life easy without all the extra apps? Enter the world of multi-file manager apps like Xarchiver or RAR. Install Xarchiver or RAR from the Google Play Store. No, it's not just for people who love archiving. Open the app and locate your Xapk file. Tap on the file, extract it, and lo and behold, you will see that familiar APK file and the OBB file. Open the Android folder. Copy the OBB file and paste it into the OBB folder under the Android directory in your internal storage. Then go back to the extracted folder, tap the APK file, and bam! Your app is now installed. This method is the phone-only approach for the folks who want to extract and install Xapk files in style. There you have it, 4 ways to install Xapk files on your Android device. Whether you are a hands-off tech lover or someone who thrives on hands-on file management, there's a method for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Not literally, please don't break your screen. Subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips. And hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be there faster than a Wi-Fi signal to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you into the next one. Maybe with fewer tech headaches. Bye for now.